Welcome to Engine Explorer, my YouTube channel. Today we are stepping into the world of true Italian luxury on wheels. The 2026 Leica Cosmo Emblema is not just a motorhome. It's a statement of style, comfort, and innovation for those who refuse to compromise while traveling. This is one of the most premium motorhomes Leica has ever built. And today I'm going to take you through every corner, every feature, and every reason why this might be the ultimate home on wheels for 2026. The first thing that grabs your attention is its exterior design, sleek, aerodynamic, and unmistakably Leica. The 2026 Cosmo Emblema looks more like a high-end touring coach than a regular RV. Its front fascia has been redesigned with sharper LED headlights, a bold grille, and chrome accents that give it a modern European vibe. The smooth body lines and glossy finish make it stand out on highways and campsites alike. And with multiple length and layout options, Leica ensures you can pick the perfect configuration for your family or travel style. Step inside, and you immediately feel the difference. The Emblema is built with a premium interior that rivals boutique hotels. High-quality Italian furniture, soft-touch materials, ambient LED lighting, and a smartly designed open floor plan create a welcoming and luxurious space. The living area offers a comfortable lounge with rotating captain's chairs, a large panoramic skylight, and a spacious dinette perfect for meals or working on the road. The kitchen is where Leica really flexes its design expertise. The Emblema's galley includes a 3-burner stove, a deep stainless steel sink, a large fridge freezer, and generous countertop space finished in a marble effect surface. Storage is cleverly integrated with soft close drawers and overhead cabinets, making it easy to carry all your cooking essentials. When it comes to the bedroom, Leica provides several options including twin beds, a rear queen bed, or even an island bed in some floor plans. The 2026 model focuses heavily on comfort, with premium mattresses, adjustable headrests, and underbed storage. The ambient lighting in the bedroom is soft and relaxing, creating a true sanctuary after a long drive. The bathroom is equally impressive with a fully enclosed shower, modern fixtures, and excellent ventilation. Leica has made sure the Emblema feels like a real apartment bathroom, not just an RV corner washroom. Under the hood, the 2026 Leica Cosmo Emblema is built on the latest Fiat Ducato or Mercedes-Benz chassis. Depending on the configuration you choose, these engines are more fuel-efficient, quieter, and meet the latest Euro 6D emission standards. You'll also enjoy advanced driving aids like lane assist, adaptive cruise control, and a 10-inch digital cockpit that makes driving easier and safer. On the tech side, the Emblema includes a smart control system for lights, heating, and tank levels, all accessible via a central touchscreen or smartphone app. Solar panels, lithium battery options, and inverter upgrades make this motorhome perfect for off-grid adventures. If you're looking for a luxury motorhome that combines Italian design, clever space utilization, and cutting-edge technology, the 2026 Leica Cosmo Emblema is hard to beat. It's built for travelers who want freedom without giving up style or comfort. So what do you think? Is this your dream home on wheels? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Emblema, don't forget to like this video, share it with your fellow travelers, and subscribe to Engine Explorer for more in-depth reviews of the most exciting RVs and motorhomes coming in 2026 and beyond.